Hi everyone, my name is Drea White and I would like to talk to you about alcoholism. I like to drink, just like the next person. I'm sure some of you guys in the audience like to drink as well. How many of you have a drink just every now and then? I see a couple of people over here. Okay, how many of you drink and can't remember what happened that day before?
I feel tired.
Okay, well, I mean, a lot of us have done that. I'm a victim to that as well. This is alcoholism, whether you want to believe it or not. Alcoholism affects so many people a year, and we're still blind to the fact that it's really a disease. We simply feel like, hey, we're just enjoying ourselves, we're having a couple of drinks, we're friends, but when we have a little too much, we're actually abusing the substance. My purpose here today is to persuade you guys not to fall victim to alcoholism. We're going to talk about what it is, the symptoms that lead up to it, what it does to your organs, and how we're able to treat it. So, alcoholism is when you can't control your alcohol intake. There are a lot of signs that you are most likely suffering from this. MedlinePlus.gov states, for most adults, moderate alcohol use is probably not harmful. However, about 18 million adult Americans suffer from this, and that's a pretty huge number. This means that their drinking causes distress, it causes harm to other people, harm to yourself, but these are things we're not thinking about when we drink alcohol. A few may say, hey, okay, we're having a good time, we're not hurting anyone, with our friends, with our family, doing different things, but in reality, we don't think about internally. We're constantly looking externally. Hey, we're not doing anything, we're not hurting you, but what about your organs? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass out just a few pictures telling you what a healthy liver is and what a damaged liver looks like. It's just a few things you guys can look at. If you drink too much, two things happen. The fat that should be used to the body is stored in your liver. The excess damages the liver cells. Too much fat in the liver causes fatty liver disease. Symptoms include abdominal pain, fatigue, and weight loss. QuitAlcohol.com states that the liver is a vital organ in our bodies. We need it healthy for the duration of our lives. A healthy liver is needed to survive. Don't you think 3 million Americans is a bit much to have fatty liver disease? Do you really want to take that chance? Everyone's addiction is different. NIH.gov says that when asked how alcohol problems are treated, we commonly think of 12-step programs or 28-day rehab programs, but ultimately there's no one solution for all these problems. It's kind of like, hey, let's reach out and talk to each other. Let's just see what's going on with each other, so maybe help them to not want to drink so much. And the last thing I'm just going to say is, I bet you guys are wondering why I talk about this subject. My husband, he was diagnosed with alcoholism, and little did I know he was suffering from extreme anxiety. So this almost tore our family apart. From the countless doctor's visits to the surgeries to the transplants, it's just something that I want you guys to think about. So I just hope my goal today is to tell you guys about alcoholism, and maybe I could save a life. Thank you guys for coming out, and have a good night.